We run our print on demand brand following the exact opposite of all of the conventional wisdom that is out there. And that is the only reason that we were able to generate over $1.3 million in sales just last month alone. And of course, revenue is great and all, but what we really care about is the profit margin. So here you can see on our brand where we sell nothing but t-shirts, we did a little bit over $200,000 in net profit from that month. If you know anything about print on demand, this should not be possible. These kind of numbers should be the annual amount at the very end of the year that we are looking at. And the reason that it seems like it should not be possible is because everybody is teaching you the exact same thing. They teach you to sell broad, hit every niche. You need to go after the high margin products and you need to be on every marketplace. And what this does to you is, for starters, it completely fragments your focus. It does not allow you to go deep and really hone your craft and have any chance of success from day one. Because the problem is that this is all just a trap. And this trap is only getting worse and worse because of one word, and that is AI. Because AI is flooding these marketplaces with competition. And what used to be just a awesome place to get started with a print on demand business is now an absolute bloodbath where you have no chance of standing out, being shoulder to shoulder with all these other sellers who have the same exact tools and have the same ability to launch these identical designs to you. So everyone has access to the same tools, uploading the same designs, and fighting over the same exact customers, which ultimately this means that it's becoming a race to the bottom. And if your goal is to capitalize on the growing demand for print on demand products, because newsflash, there's never been a better time to start a print on demand business than today. It is currently growing at 24% year over year. Meanwhile, the revenue and the profit margin of Etsy and Merch by Amazon sellers has never looked worse. There is an absolute bloodbath happening over there. Where is the opportunity? Like, where is this demand going? Because if you want to build a business for yourself, would you want to choose chasing a quick buck on those marketplaces where, yes, it might be quick and easy to list your first product, but ultimately in the long term, is it the right decision? Or do you want to be investing your time into a new model that allows us to take advantage of AI and the growing demand for print on demand that requires no inventory still and has minimal startup costs and allows us to have a real shot at standing out? And most importantly, we're able to provide so much value to our customers that they turn into raving fans who come back to buy from us again and again, aka a real brand, a business that you truly own. And that is branded print on demand. And that is how we are going the opposite of what everybody says to do in the print on demand space. And because we are so passionate about helping people start these brands, and we've seen the writing on the wall for years now, we've been talking about it going way back to 2023, 24, talking about these marketplaces are dying out. The new opportunity is with branded print on demand. We have a brand that we operate out in the open that does over $1 million per year that you can see. It's called Sloth Hiking Club. And just taking a look at this site, you can get an understanding of what it takes to run one of these. Honestly, it looks a lot like an Etsy listing. It is not all that different. All that we do is we quiet the noise, we strip out dozens of different product types, and we just get laser focused. And we just focus on one specific niche. And when we focus on one product for one customer and we sell it in one place, and then we do it for an extended period of time, that is the whole formula. We get one product, our brand actually being built, and we are not dependent on any marketplaces. And the whole game here is that focus beats being spread thin. And the old conventional thoughts of like, you need all these different product types and you need high margin products, it's all BS. And anybody who is constantly espousing that simply does not know what they're talking about. And you should ask to see the proof of the revenue. I would urge any of them to share that openly to be able to actually prove that. And if they can, fantastic. But I think the people out there that can actually do that are few and far between. And I don't say this to attack anybody in particular. I say this to arm yourself with the knowledge necessary that the difference in the decision to go down the marketplace route opposed to just starting your own brand, it is the difference of centimeters in the beginning, but it means the difference in miles over the long term. And here is exactly how we did it. So Number one is with volume, not variety. We do high volume on just one product type. Why is that important? It's because each product, just like anything in life, is an entirely new craft in and of itself. And when I see all these beginner sellers getting started, just spreading themselves thin right out of the gate, they are shooting themselves in the foot before they even get started because they have no opportunity to really hone their craft at making a really high quality product when you're working on t-shirts, then mugs, then wall art, then canvases, then jewelry, then and then thinking that, oh, it's just my niche is different. It's like, no, it's not. You just haven't made good products yet. And step two is you test cheap and you scale the winners. Anybody who talks about running paid ads and makes it sound complicated simply does not know enough to make it sound simple. And anybody who's ever run ads effectively does not see them as expensive. How much are you willing to pay for something where you put in $1 and get $3 out? I would pay as much money as I can possibly get my hands on. Like there is no price in the world that would be too high because it makes money in return. That is the fundamental principle. And anybody who says that, oh, you have to run paid ads, like there's not enough margin, doesn't know what they're talking about. Because every single sale that you are looking at here started with a paid ad, started with a tiny budget. And yes, we spent hundreds of thousands of dollars last month. But if we go back in time to when we started the brand, going way back, we did $2,000 in sales. And then in July, we did 31,000. Just slow and steady creeping our way up and then just staying consistent. And this brand, this store has been in the same niche, selling the same kind of products to the same customers through the same traffic channel over and over and over again, just for an extended period of time. And that is the formula. And no, none of this is a guarantee that if you just sell one product, you're going to, do $1 million month. Obviously not. I've been doing this for 10 plus years. And so it takes effort, it takes trial and error, just like anything else. But the reason that this snowballs so much faster than any marketplace ever possibly can is because on the marketplace, you are building their business for them. You are selling to their customers, meaning that they own the entire business. They own the asset. You do not. Here, we own the customers. And you can see straight from our metrics that in this month, we did $372,000 of our sales came from email revenue. The reason that that is important is that those are sales that we did not have to pay any money for in terms of the ads. Those are sales where people came back and bought from us a second time, a third time, because they fell in love with the product. That is the other benefit of going super focused. When you speak to one person, you have a chance to really connect. As long as you go really broad, you're speaking to everybody and therefore speaking to nobody. So when we hone in and get intentional about this is our audience, we are yoga, we are coffee, we are hiking, we like whoever it is that you want to speak to, you pick one group and then you stay loyal to them. And loyalty is just a rare commodity nowadays. And people feel that. It's not just in terms of politics and all the hot topics, it's in terms of the brand loyalty as well. And it's a two-way street, not just the customers to the brand, but the brand to the customers. And so that's how we did it. One brand, that is just one single month. Now this month that we're now in, we are on track for over $1 million again. And the reason I'm so emphatic about this for you is that it is not complicated. Not to say it's easy. It's simple, but not easy. But it is doable and it is accessible. And if you want to learn more about this, we have a free course. Make it completely open to everybody. It is 12 plus hours. It is over on my wife's channel, Meg Heckman. You can click the link down below to get started. Have fun, and I hope to see you inside the free community soon.